Mudder is watching. I like it. All right.
Stay right, I think. Yes, I do.
Re-Velcro, nice and tight. Oh. Yeah, Tina! Oh! Oh, thanks. Oh, it's all right. Stick with me. That was awfully slippery. I'm just trying to feel for where there's gonna be a drop off.
I'm gonna try to stick to the side.
Oh. 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 Yep. Oh. There's oh. 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 Oh, God. Oh. Oh, God, it's large. Well, kind of. Where it feels high. Where's the drop? You know there's got to be one. Screw it. There it is. Oh. What? What? Right with you, sweetie. Right here. Oh. That's where the hole is. I found it. Oh. Oh. It's right there. Another step or two, you'll find it. There it is. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. God. That's dirt in places I've never wanted it to be. There it is. Oh. Did you just balance beam some shit? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Woo. Tina! Oh. Ugh. Tina! Oh God. Oh. Well, that's good. Yeah, Tina. Woo. Yeah. You look so, if I could tell you how sexy you look, it's unbelievable.
You talking to me?
Well, yeah. Oh, oh no.
I created this. Hey,
Duh.
discriminatory against short people.
Against clean people?
My testicles are starting to burn again.
What is?
My testicles.
Oh, great. That's the battery acid in the water.
At least you can feel yours.
Oh God.
Don't mind on your dad.
Oh. 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 Oh God. Oh. Tina. Oh God. The most discouraging thing was the 3-mile sign.
Where was that?
Right before the hay bales.
What did it say?
3 miles.
That's alright.
So I only have 4 times. Oh God. 4 times that to go. It's good. Oh.
My shoes out. Watch the step!
Whew. Oh. Oh God. Well, okay, that's one way to do it.
You're safe. There's
Oh.
a big hole right there.
Yeah, there is. Oh God. Oh, this whole thing is pretty deep right here. Oh. Oh.
Water is cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
At first it was warm. Now it's cold.
I disagree. They're all cold. Oh. Oh God. I disagree with your assessment. They all suck. Oh.
You gotta stay positive or it just gets worse.
I'm just trying to keep the camera out of the mud.
You should have gotten the GoPro, that contour. What a protein
Oh, hey, that's just added fiber. More fiber. Oh. Well, there it is. No, you're going.
Oh, stay above! Keep that camera up!
Oh no. Oh. Wait, where's the Snickers bar? Oh.
Oh, that didn't look good for business.
Nope. Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh God. Oh.
Oh, out!
Whew. Oh. Not gonna lie, this is very cold. There's the hole. Oh. Oh God. Oh. 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 Shit. Oh. Woo. Yeah, baby. Oh. Is the goal to crawl out through the tire? Well, I guess we gotta do it the right way. Yeah. Thank you. Oh shit.
Money right here.
Whew. Oh. Okay.
Now that I can't feel it.
Okay.
That was fun.
I'm cold.
That was fun. I'm actually not.
You're a
That
dick.
was kind of fun.
I wanted to jog it more than I could.
Just tried to keep the camera clean.
Yeah.
How'd it do? Is it clean? There's Tina.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tina! She's disappointed that she's coming in last on each event. That was intense.
Nice tucks.
Ook.
Lucky.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, team up. Yes. Woo. Well done. Oh, I'm so cold. Oh.
I know, that sounds like Amber's water, you know, like it's nice.
Swimming a few times.
Can we get a Green Monsters
The whole
chant?
time. I couldn't stand up.
1, 2, 3, Green Monsters!
No, Jared, did you see that, Jared? My whole foot got stuck, and I couldn't get out.
I had a moment of that. Oh my God, my feet are so cold.
Oh my God, did you hear that? Water in my bra.
I probably have that underneath my, you know, my cooch area, my taint, my gooch. Hey man, I think these shoes kept most of that shit out.
Yeah.
I mean, my feet are fucking freezing. That was the coldest mud.
I wouldn't mind taking like,
What?
not a break, but something. I'm always the last person out.
Yeah.
Couldn't get a break yet.
Definitely mud in my gloves. Give me some muddy water. Oh. All right.